Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again with another video. Today we're looking at the flat lie challenge, or I keep saying flat lie. Flat lay, lies for we use that word in golf quite often, but the flat lay challenge, really cool. We had some cool photos. I didn't get to post as many pics as I would have liked to in this one. I had a super busy week, and I got a super busy week next week with, we are still in, we're back in school here. We've been in school for a while, and we got lots of small Christmas type like things that I have to do on the side. So next week will be quite busy for me too. But then I have 2 weeks off, so I'm looking forward to that and trying to get out and do some mobile filmmaking. Hopefully try to, again, here in Japan, the coronavirus has been up. We are in a red light zone issue here. So again, I won't be going far, just to be around the house. And, until this clears up, really not going to be heavily doing a lot of filming till then. But anyways, let's get in here and look at your guys' photos. So we had some really cool flat lay photos here. I'm going to go ahead and kill the camera. We don't really need to see my face here. I'm going to do that. So again, that was a quick video that I posted here. So we got another one cool here. Really great example of a flat lay photo. Love the colors, clean and simple. Very cool. Very cool. Love that. And then a lot of you guys were just really posting some really cool stuff here. I love this, and I do love me playing some table tennis here. We play table tennis a lot here in Japan. It is a major sport here in Japan. Really cool. I love the background on that. It looks super fantastic. And this one I thought was awesome. Japanese sweets, still eating away at the same, getting them lots for Christmas. I love this one. This is a great little shot here of some Japanese snacks here. Let me see if any of these, I've been cutting out my sugar, so I don't eat too many of these here, but let's see. I do already see a couple that my daughter eats. She loves this one here in the middle. Let me get the pen out here so you guys can see some stuff here. This little one right here in the center here, my daughter loves those ones. She really is a big fan of those ones. And these other ones, this one I've seen in the store quite often here, which I thought was really cool. So, and these are actually really good. I had a couple of these last year during the holiday season. Super fantastic. So a really cool, enjoyable photo there. I love that one. And let's see what else we got here. This one was super cool. Oh man, I wish I had a drone. I wish I had a drone. Drones are no-go here in Japan. We're not able to fly drones. But again, minimal negative space here. Got this little table dolly here. Looks like we got a, what is that, a GoPro there. Got the Sony, very nice, super fantastic. This is super great. You guys, after the tips and stuff, you guys have improved so much on your flat lays. I'm super excited to see. Oh, I can't believe I didn't like those. I haven't been in the Discord in a couple of days, just again, like I've been so busy. But she's posted a couple really fantastic ones. Look at this, super clean, minimal. I love it. And everything, the things that she's basically daily using. You got a computer there, the phone. Absolutely fantastic. And look at the coffee in there. I think that looks like hot chocolate, huh? But whatever it is, it looks super yummy. She's threw up a couple of fiery ones that are just awesome. Here's another one. A little Peter McKinnon feel on this one. I love it here. Got the Xbox controller and a little bit of an accent on the blue coin there. Look at these cards. These playing cards are fantastic. Really nice touch here with the sweater or the fabric in there. Just absolutely awesome. I really wish I could do some flat lays like this. I don't really have the look sometimes. Mine is very techie look on mine, but these ones are super fantastic. Again, look at that. Again, we got the pattern going on here with the textures. The textures, she's just really good at using the textures. This is super fun. Took a little bit of time to set this one up. Absolutely fantastic. This is some really good stuff, guys. And these you guys can use to give yourself ideas and just to help motivate yourself on doing this. I learned a lot from you guys in this last session of the photo lays here, flat lays. Look at this. Look at this. Really good play with the colors. Look at this. Fantastic. Fantastic. I just love it. She's just really good at the flat lays. I mean, this is really good stuff here. I really need to improve my flat lays. I just don't do them enough. And again, if anything you don't do enough, don't expect to be really good at. You need to do it and do it and do it to get better. And this one, oh man, I tell you guys, I'm still on my no sugar diet right now. And I tell you, I would love to get into those cookies. Fantastic. Oh, look at the little handprint there. just the little details like that, sprinkling the flour around. Woo! This is just good stuff, guys. I love that. You got the Christmas lights. That's actually a challenge there to try to hide that the battery pack for that. Fantastic work there. I hope you guys are taking notes. Hey, look at the fabric here, because this is some good stuff. I'll tell you, I'm taking notes. I tell you that. And let's see here. Here's another one. Clean, minimal setup. Fantastic. I love the vignette here too. Also, the vignette on this really helps me focus where I'm supposed to be looking here in the center. Super fantastic, super clean. And again, that vignette kind of hides this negative space on the outside and really makes me just hone in. Like when I first looked at this, my eye goes straight to here, and then basically my eye starts to spread out as I view the image. Really good stuff there. Nice composition. Let's see what else we have here. I think there was a second shot of it, but without the vignette. Yeah, without the vignette. And you can see the power of that vignette really working on that first image. You know, my eye wanders a little bit on the outside here without that vignette. With that vignette, it really made me focus on the center of here. So that's just to show you the power of a vignette, guys, when used properly. Again, I'm not a pro here. I'm just learning like you guys, and this is the best way to learn, by looking at each other's work. Oh, another good one, a little holiday theme to it. I think that might be our next theme, holiday theme. I think everybody was kind of voting on. I love this. We got the wine glass here in the middle. These the accents here with these little balls and the Christmas stuff. And I love the lighting here. Just creeping the label of the wine in there. Fantastic. That is good stuff. Very good stuff. I'm so bummed I didn't get to post my second one that I wanted to do, but I've just been super busy. I hadn't had the time to do anything but work and sleep. So that was just a quick look, guys, at some of the flat lays here that we had going here. Fantastic. I want some more people to jump in this. A lot of people were asking, how do I get into the Discord server? Again, it's in almost every YouTube video I've posted. There is a link to the Discord in there, so feel free to jump in. That was really cool. I like that. I wish I had a drone. Feel free to jump in at any time. Let's go back up quickly here, and we can see some of the first ones here that we had. Where were they at here? Some of the first ones, very cool there, that you guys saw in the first video. And a lot of the guys kept posting stuff, so super fantastic. I love that everybody participated. It's really good to see. Another great one there. Good stuff, good stuff. So again here, guys, we do have our Discord server. You can jump in here in the mobile photography. Let's see what's going on here. I haven't been in there a couple days. A nice little reflection there off the floor. Love that. That's really nice and spooky looking. Very good here. We got some good chats going on in here, guys. Look at this. Wow. Somebody's straight getting a tattoo. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Nice, nice. There's a couple other photos here that I remember seeing, glancing through here. Look at this. Fantastic. It's not a flat lay, but this is in the mobile photography section. You can post whatever you guys want there, as long as it kind of just pertains to mobile photography. That's the only rule that we really kind of have. You know, I mean, I do have another section if you want to post stuff with your camera. Look at this. I love the light, the grading on that. That was nice and fantastic there. And again, this one, I would have threw this in the flat lay too. This one's the top down view on that. That looks awesome. Great grade in there. I think you use Lightroom Mobile on that one. So super fantastic. And again, we also do have the mobile filmmaking page. I haven't been posting here. I think we're going to get some mobile filmmaking stuff going here, like maybe some small, like 30-second type style stuff. So let me throw this camera back on here. Again, I am using AZ screen recorder. I'm using the Rogue Micro Video Me for my microphone. Again, I'll have the link down in the description if anybody's interested in using that. If I can have to turn the camera back on. There it is. So, alrighty guys, definitely. I think the next one is going to be Christmas theme. Like, you know, we got the last 2 weeks here coming into Christmas. So this is fire them off. Any type of Christmas theme photo that you got coming. I got some really cool ideas coming up after the new year for maybe some other flat lays, but we're in a holiday season right now, so let's keep it holiday themed. So starting on Monday, right now it is Sunday for me in Japan, probably Saturday for most of you guys on the other side of the world, but on Monday we'll start the Christmas themed photos. Anything Christmas themed, just throw them in there. I'll make another small subreddit or subreddit. I've been messing with Reddit. A small Discord area where you guys can also post those. So enough of my jibber jabber. Links down in the description for the Discord. Jump in, guys. Have fun. We're gonna continue having fun with this. And if you're new and you're shy, don't be shy. Jump in here. We're all very nice, and nobody's gonna be, you know, that's ugly. So we're just learning and stuff like that. So have fun. See you guys maybe in a couple of days here. We'll do the update from the Christmas ones. Keep filming. Keep shooting. Patrick Levar. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. See ya.